Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Google adds login, billing, and a live landing page that converts. Next, choose sizes 300x 250, 728x 90, 160x 600, so you target placements quickly. Once done, collect brand assets, logo, images at 72 to 300 dpi, fonts, and a clear CTA. Then create a simple brief, objective audience, and max CPC or daily budget. This moves you from planning to building. Make sure files are named and accessible. You now design and assemble banners. Start with a clear visual hierarchy, logo, image, headline, CTA, so users scan fast. If using HTML5, test animation length and keep load under 150 KB. Static PNG or JPG often converts well. Once assets are ready, upload to Google Ads Asset Library and create a responsive display ad grouping your sizes. Then set targeting, audiences, keywords, placements, and a bid strategy. Make adjustments to frequency and rotation. These choices control reach and performance. You finish by launching with a modest daily budget to collect early signals, then monitor impressions, CTR, and conversions every day. Run a/B tests on headlines, CTA color, and imagery, and pause clear underperformers after 3 to 7 days. If something breaks, check for ad disapprovals, policy issues with images or text, and make sure your tracking tags fire correctly. Finally, scale winners by increasing spend and refining targeting. This closes the loop between learning and profitable display campaigns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.